you so much for joining me today. My name is Natasha. Welcome to my channel. In my recent lip products video, I mentioned maybe recreating this filter for fun, and so I decided to do that today, and I think it turned out really close to what the filter looks like. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So this is the photo that I'm trying to recreate. I'm going to start by applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer to my lids. I think I'm going to use Tombstone from Creepy Cute. I'm just going to use a flat shader brush, grab a little bit of that, and put it all over the lid. I'm going to grab that really light gray from the Too Faced Bonbons palette in Pecan Praline with a fluffy brush and work that into the crease just a little bit. I'm going to go into the Tartelette in Bloom palette with that Smoke Show shade. I'm going to grab a liner brush and just work that into the lash line. I think I'm going to go in with a black shade Noir from the ABH Sultry palette and kind of just go over that to make sure it's super dark. Now I'm going to fill my brows with the ABH Brow Pomade in the shade Taupe. I'm going to clean up the fallout around my eyes, and then I'm going to put on 2 pumps of the Smashbox foundation on my face. I'm not going to put any bronzer or blush or even highlighter on for this because in the photo it looks like it's just a very pale, flat type of complexion. I am going to use some contour powder to add a little bit of a cheekbone. Now we're going to do lashes. This is like the part I'm the most nervous about because I don't really put on lashes very often. Okay, I'm going to use just some black pencil liner on the upper inner lash line, and then use the ColourPop liquid liner in the shade Numero Uno just to cover up the band of the lashes. Now for the lips, I'm going to use Nude Suede Shoes by NYX to line my lips. I don't think I've actually worn this liquid lipstick before, so we'll see what it looks like on my lips. Then of course the pièce de résistance, the nose ring. I don't know if you guys knew this, but back in college I actually had my nose pierced. Had a little stud on, I think this side, or maybe it was that side, I can't remember. The one in the photo looks like it has a black background, but I'm gonna look at the silver one first. Alright, how did I do? It's so fun wearing a nose ring, and I have a bunch of different ones from that little set that I bought, so maybe I'll wear them in videos more. I always feel like I'm not cool enough to have like fancy face piercings and stuff, but nothing wrong with playing around with it every once in a while. This was really fun to do. Let me know if there are any other Snapchat filters that you'd like me to recreate. But in the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!